Good morning, Mary. I need your help with Mrs. Silva's prescription.
Good morning, John. What's the problem?
She takes insulin every day, but she doesn't understand the new instructions.
I see. Let me check her file on the computer.
The doctor changed her dosage yesterday. Now it's 10 units twice a day.
Does she know when to take it?
That's the problem. She's confused about the timing.
Okay, let's call her and explain step by step.
Good idea. I'll get the phone. Can you prepare the simple instructions?
Sure. I'll write, take insulin before breakfast and before dinner.
Perfect. Should we mention the time?
Yes, I'll add around 7 a.m. and 7 p.m.
What about storage? She asked about that last week.
Right. I'll write, keep insulin in the refrigerator, not in the freezer.
She also needs to know about side effects.
True. Let's tell her, if you feel dizzy or very tired, call us immediately.
Should we send her a text message too?
Yes, good thinking. A message helps her remember everything.
I'm calling her now. Can you stay on the line with me?
Of course. We work better as a team.
Hello, Mrs. Silva. This is John from the pharmacy. Mary is here too.
We want to explain your new insulin instructions clearly.
Thank you for understanding, Mrs. Silva. We're always here to help you.